How to find pin or passcode on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you find or change pin or passcode on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to open settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, you will get this kind of interface. From here, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option Face ID and Passcode. And from here, if you have set any passcode, enter your passcode. After you enter the correct password, you'll have to just scroll down and come on the section for passcode. If you have not enabled this passcode feature, simply go to the option turn on passcode. If you have already turned on it, you'll be able to change that. To change or enable that, tap on the option change passcode or turn on the passcode. After you tap on that, you'll have to just confirm with your Face ID. Right now, I will have to just start the security delay process to change the passcode. If you want to change it, you'll have to just verify with the security delay, like it will happen for 1 hour. If you have not enabled it, you can simply confirm and create new passcode on your iPhone. So from here you can easily make it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.